And we're back to learning Gimp. Let me show you how you can create a heart vignette. I use a simple heart silhouette and the original image, in this case a wedding shot. You can basically use any silhouette, just search for something via a Google search and it's transformative work, so you can easily use that. And I've used this image from Unsplash, I'm going to link to it. Then I've dragged and dropped it here into Gimp. This is where we start. You can scale it up, down. Make sure for the wedding image that you have obviously the bride and the groom inside of the heart, inside of the center of your canvas. You may want to go down with the opacity of the silhouette and then reposition that, rescale it. You can also reposition and scale the heart, obviously. By the way, Shift S is the short key for the scale tool. And if you want to move it, have to move to active, left click on the heart and use the arrow keys, for example. Once you've got the position that you want, make the opacity 100% again, then right click on the heart silhouette and alpha to selection. Make it invisible afterwards. We only need the selection, then go to select and feather. The value depends a little bit on the canvas that you use, but 50 to 100 should be a good value to try. Then switch to the layer below, we want to make it white. I've got a background right here, but let us create a new layer from scratch so that you can see how that's done. I'll call this white layer and I'll fill it with white. Confirm we OK. It's on top of the original. And I'm on this layer, then I go to edit and use clear. Shift Ctrl A to deselect. And you can see we have this heart silhouette now with a very white feather. If you want to have a different color, it doesn't really work like this. Or right click after selection and then use the paint bucket tool. You will still have this white halo. So that's not typically what you want. If you want to have a different color, you have to start from scratch. So right here, we'll have to create a new layer. In my case, black is the foreground color, so I use foreground color here. I'll fill with, I confirm, I'm on this layer, and I can use clear right here. And if you want to add a feather, let me press Ctrl Z. I'll add this feather, do it again with clear. You can see now our halo or this feathering is black as well. If you want to have a completely different color, let me show this once more. New layer, make it transparent for now. And I'll just call this vignette. Then go to your color swatches, double click on it, pick your color, maybe red. Then use the bucket fill tool, left click on this layer, and here again alpha to selection with the heart shape, feather it out. Switch to the red layer, the vignette layer, use edit and clear. And now our feather is reddish, so you can use any color that you want. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.